Hello everybody! So, today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to make some gluten-free Bisquick. Now, I've bought it in the store and I was really annoyed with it. There was enough for one recipe and they left you a half a cup in there, so you'd have to buy another box in order to make a recipe out of it. Yeah, sneaky farts they are. I used to make it myself all the time, so let's try it gluten-free. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I really need to get a different container to store my flour in. Okay, and there's 5. Gotta make some more flour mix up. Okay, so there's 5 there. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of baking powder. So we've got 1, 2, and 3. It's good to give that a little mix. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. Then you need to add in 1 cup of shortening. You can do this in a stand mixer as well. It's just, I don't know, I didn't feel like using my stand mixer, I guess, today. I was going to, and then I just put it into a bowl, so, ew well. Just a little bit more there. Okay. Let's cover that up again. So you just want to cut this in to your shortening, or mix it in if you're using a stand mixer. So we're just going to start cutting this in. And I'm not going to make you sit here throughout this whole process, but you just want to get it cut in there and everything mixed together. So I'll bring you guys right back as soon as I have this all mixed together. Alright, so it's all nicely mixed together now. You can see it more or less looks like Bisquick. Now, everything is all mixed together, cut through. I'm just stirring this so that way I can make sure that I got everything off of the bottom. And it only took me a few minutes to get it all stirred up using the pastry cutter, so that's not so bad. Alright, but I'm going to go get a container to put this in, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just going to store it in some mason jars. Oh, my battery's about to die. But I'm just going to store this in mason jars. And you use this the same way that you would use the store-bought Bisquick, right? It's the same thing, just make it yourself. And I imagine it stays good for as long as, oh, mess, for quite some time. Because there's nothing in it that's going to go bad, really. So, but I go through this stuff pretty quickly. So I will make sure to share some videos, recipes using it. But anything you use regular stuff for, you can use this in the place. So there we go. Now I got a mess to clean up. But there we go. Gluten-free Bisquick for half the price of the store-bought stuff and for twice the amount. Yay! Total winnings there. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you again soon. Bye.